Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. I'm in the mood for some cookies. All of those look delicious, but today I'm putting together a chocolate wafer cookie. Its intense chocolate flavor comes from Dutch processed cocoa, so make sure you're buying a high quality brand. Let's see what we're gonna need. As you can see, this is an insanely easy recipe, and in fact, these are the same ingredient. I like to use the Guittard Dutch processed cocoa, but sometimes it's difficult to find. So Nuts has a premium Dutch processed cocoa, and it's about half the price, and it's amazing. We're also going to need 1 cup of butter, soft to the point of melting, a cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. Let's put these cookies together. I've covered my cookie dough with plastic wrap, and we're going to roll it to 1/8 of an inch, so I have these guides on here. We want to make sure that this is all level. Then this needs to be refrigerated for about 30 minutes so it can firm up. While that dough is cooling, I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and I do have the convection oven on. These cookies are going to bake for 13 minutes. This is a situation where we want them to be slightly overdone rather than underdone. I have 3-inch cookie cutters that I'll be using. We can also space these very close together since this is a shortbread. So we're just going to cut out as many as will fit. And then we're just going to take away the scraps. We need to let these cookies cool completely before we can eat them. It's time to give our chocolate wafer cookies a taste. Now, you could of course ice them, turn them into sandwich cookies, dip them in chocolate, serve them with coffee, turn them into ice cream sandwiches, or pulverize them and use them as pie crusts. You could also just munch them like I'm going to do. The flavor reminds me of the chocolate wafer portion of an Oreo cookie. I've got my glass of milk here. So tender, so intensely chocolate. Perfect.
Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.